What I'm showing you here is some ways you can be using Chat GPT to get you free guest posts. So what I basically put in, please provide me with a list of websites and their contact details and e-commerce. So I apologize, so it doesn't understand that, but it will probably understand. So I'll just show you some ones that do work. Sure, I can help with that. So I just basically put there a more simple prompt for it to understand. Send you a list of websites that accept guest posts with a contact detail. Sure, I can help you. So you see there, it can't understand everything. So instead, I've changed it to then help websites which accept guest posts. So we can see here, I got a potential one of Healthline. I got a potential one for Psychology Today. I got for Mind Body Contribute. So that should in theory work without any issues. I'll just double check, see if it's working or not. Yep, it works without problems. You can see there, I got Very Well Health. So if we're running a health site, we got that. We got also Medical News Today. So let's just say we're running an environmental site. It doesn't really matter which kind. So we can see here, we got one for Tree Hugger. We got one for Eco Warrior Princess. We got Inhabitat. I got one for Earth 911. I got Green Living Guy. If I want to put in, say, another niche, for example, purchases, let's go with, say, SEO sites which accept guest posts. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, just give a few times to process. So again, we can see Moss, so I get one of Moss potentially. Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Land, CMrush potentially, Hrefs. I know these two probably wouldn't work well unless your content's really good or you're famous, but that just shows you. I'll do another one as well, just to get more. So, programming sites. It doesn't really matter by the way if you've got capitals. I haven't seen these. So, programming sites which accept guest posts. I'm in the programming niche in one of my sites, so just showing you it could be health, it could be sports, it could be whatever. The only thing you might not be able to find very likely is like gambling potentially. So you see there, here are some sites. So I can get a link of SitePoint, Free Code Camp I've heard of, Hacker Moon I can get, D-Zone I can get, CSS Tricks I can get. So that just shows us what you can potentially do with this software. I'll do one more just to get the idea. It's not very hard. So let's just do here. Let's just say we've got a music site, music sites which accept guest posts. Oh, see, I also made a style music, but it still worked. Okay, that's quite good. That shows it can work even if you make mistakes. Music sites which accept guest posts. So let's see how it goes. Here's some. So I could get one of consequencessound.net submissions, contact, write for music. Yep, that sounds pretty good. Just like any, make sure to read the guidelines, which again, that's good advice. I mean, I can't fault that, but that's showing you what you can do with this service as a whole.